Oh shit. You done fucked up now. You done put two of America's most wanted in the same motherfucking place at the same motherfucking time. Y'all niggas about to feel this. Break out the champagne glasses and the motherfucking condoms. Have one on us, alright? Picture perfect. I paint a perfect picture. Ball of hooches with precision. My intentions to get richer with that and double OP. Dog my fucking homie. You the cold ass nigga on them all.
Show enough. I keep my hand on my gun, cause they got me on the run. Now I'm back in the courtroom waiting on the outcome. 3 2 pockets on the stolen niggas' mind. But at the same time, it seems they trying to take mine. So I'm gonna get smart and get the sense of the shit and put the